Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about this beautiful concept of specific gravity and relative density. So these are the properties of a fluid. Okay. So all of you are confusing that whether specific gravity and relative density, whether these two are same or not. Okay. Now let us discuss about these two things: specific gravity and relative density. Already I told you that this is the related to the properties of the fluid. So density means everyone know about density. What is density? So what is mass density? What is the specific weight? So many properties are there for a fluid, but I am not going to discuss all those things. Only concentrate on the specific gravity and relative density. So in many textbooks, they are going to give just specific gravity and relative density. These two are both are same. Okay, now let us see what exactly the difference between these two are. Okay, see this specific gravity is nothing but this is the density of a fluid by density of a standard fluid. Okay, density of a fluid by density of a standard fluid. Let me write the formula so that you can see. So yes, I am giving S equal to density, or else directly I can use this rho. Rho means we know that rho of a fluid density. Rho is nothing but density of a fluid by density of a standard fluid. Okay, standard fluid. Right, see here, it is the specific gravity is nothing but density of a fluid by density of a standard fluid. Okay, up to here clear now. Now, as per as Indian authors and foreign authors, there is maybe a small little variation is there regarding about the standard fluid. What is standard fluid? That is very important. Understand what is standard fluid. So standard fluid, according to our Indian authors, please remember, according to our Indian authors, or as per as our Indian authors, so fluid is classified into two: liquids and gas. Liquids and gas. So for first one, let us take liquid. In liquid, what is the standard fluid? That is very important. So in case of liquids, what is the standard fluid? They have taken water as a standard fluid. Okay, water as standard fluid. About what temperature? At 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, 4 degrees centigrade. Water at 4 degrees centigrade and at 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, 1 atmospheric pressure. So in case of liquids, the standard fluid is water at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, and what about gases? You may ask the question, what about gas? So as per as our Indian author, okay, as per as our Indian author, the standard fluid in case of gas is air. Okay, air at what about the temperature? Air at 15 degrees centigrade. Okay, air at 15 degree centigrade, and at what about pressure then? Same, 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now this is about as what according to according to Indian authors. Okay, according to Indian authors. Let me write that also. According to Indian authors. Okay, Indian authors. So what about foreign authors? What about foreign authors then? So as foreign authors, okay, foreign authors, the definition of, okay, the definition of the standard fluid. The definition of standard fluid is nothing but, let me copy this one so that no need to write again and again. The definition of this liquid as well as gas. So whether it is liquid or gas, okay, as per as foreign authors, whether it is liquid or gas, they don't bother, okay, they don't bother. In case of liquid and in case of gas, the standard fluid is same. In both the cases, the standard fluid is water only. Please remember, it doesn't matter whatever the fluid may be, but the standard fluid as per as this foreign authors is, in case of liquid as or gas, what it may be, the fluid may be what it may be, that they doesn't matter, okay, it doesn't matter whether it is liquid or gas, but the standard fluid is only one, that is water only. Water at what degree centigrade? 4 degree centigrade, okay, 4 degree centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. So 1 atmospheric pressure. I hope all you understand up to here. So there may be a confusion. So it may be liquid or gas, whatever the may be the fluid. Standard fluid in case of liquid or gas, the water is the standard fluid at 4 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. So what is our definition for specific gravity S equal to, okay, for specific gravity S equal to rho of a fluid by rho of a standard fluid, rho of a fluid by rho of a standard fluid. So here that is density of any fluid by with respect to density of a standard fluid. So here as per as Indian authors, we need to keep, if it is liquid, when you are comparing the density of this fluid with respect to density of another fluid, that is standard fluid in case of specific gravity. So with respect to water only we need to compare whatever it may be, whether it is liquid, in case of liquids means you must be compared with the water only. What about gas then? Density of a gas with respect to density of the air only, okay, we cannot compare density of a liquid with respect to density of a gas in case of specific gravity. But what about relative density? That is also very, very important. Relative density. See here. So here I am writing relative density RD. Let me write RD for our simplification purpose. RD I am writing is equal to, see here the beautiness of this. So we are going to compare in this case relative density. If you are going to compare with respect to not only standard fluid but with any another fluid, okay, with respect to any other fluid, then that is called as relative density. Okay, so here rho means, please remember, rho means density of a fluid with respect to density of any fluid. Okay, let me drag so that you can easily understand. So here, here, any fluid means need not be standard fluid, right? Okay, here in this case should be not need not be any fluid, standard fluid in case of relative density. That is the difference. That's it. If you are going to see, I'm telling again, if you are going to compare the density of a fluid with respect to density of a standard fluid, then that is called specific gravity. But if you are going to compare the density of a fluid with respect to any other density of the fluid, then that is called relative density. Okay, the name itself telling the relative density. It is the comparison of the, or it is showing the relation of the one particular density of a fluid to the another particular density of another fluid. But here it may not standard fluid. That's it. That is the difference between relative density and specific gravity. I hope you all clear your doubt. So far you are having some confusion and all, so that was clear now, I think. I hope so. Okay, now see, let us see this one. So at the end, what is the important note? Important note, you write down here. Important note. The note here, what you need to observe, what you observe so far is please be very think once and what is the note, important note or important observation you observe here. Every specific gravity, please remember, every specific gravity is a relative density, but every relative density is not a yes, what is that? Specific gravity. Okay, specific gravity. That is the difference. Okay, so specific gravity means if we are going to compare the density of a fluid, for example, I have one oil, density of a oil with, I want to compare the density of a oil with respect to standard fluid. Okay, standard fluid. So standard fluid as per as Indian authors is, so since oil is a liquid, okay, liquid, so I need to compare this with respect to standard fluid means I need to take water only. Okay, water only. So density of the oil by density of water. We know that density of the water at 4 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure is 1000 only. Okay, for example, density of the oil is 850. So 850 by 1000. So density of the water is 1000. So 0.85. 0.85 is the specific gravity. But now coming to relative density. Suppose I have oil and mercury, both are there. Suppose I'm having oil of density of oil is 850 kg per meter cube, and mercury also I'm having. Density of the mercury is 13,600 kg per meter cube. Now since both are fluids only, but I'm comparing the relative density. Okay, I want relative density only. So at that time we cannot take separately, that is density of the oil by density of the standard fluid, and density of the oil by density of the mercury by density of the standard fluid. Not like this. Here relative density means I'm going to compare the relation between these two densities of the oil and the density of the mercury. So at that time I must write the formula as he see here, this one, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Rho of a fluid, that is rho of a oil by rho of a mercury. That's it. Okay, like that. See here, rho of a fluid. Suppose I'm repeating again, two fluids I'm having, oil and mercury. So density of the oil with respect to density of the mercury. Okay, at that time we need to have relative density. Like this we are going to find out the relative density. Okay, so relative density is used instead of specific gravity if comparison is done with respect to some random fluid instead of some standard fluid. Please remember this one. So relative density, when we are going to use, it is going to use instead of specific gravity whenever there is a requirement of comparison of to be done with respect to some random fluid. Okay, comparison of the density of the one fluid with respect to some random fluid, maybe anything, not only water. In case of liquid, not only water. In case of gas, not only with air. We can compare it with respect to anything. Okay, sometimes density, relative density may be used for density of the solid to density of the fluid. That is also possible in case of relative density, but that is not possible in case of specific gravity. Always specific gravity must be calculate with respect to comparison with respect to fluids only, two different fluids. That is, one must be a your fluid, that is whatever the fluid we want to cross check the with respect to, the other fluid must be standard fluid only, not the any other fluid. If you are using other than standard fluid means, then that is not called as specific gravity, that is called as relative density. I hope try to understand this one, and please like this video. That's it.